Good day, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here and Sage. Hey, slow down. Slow down. Don't be getting ahead of yourself there. So it's absolutely freezing here today, and it's another rainy weekend in beautiful Ontario, Toronto, Canada. So we got bored, and Sage had this bright idea of hey, let's take a look and see on Kijiji and see what's out there, and ended up finding a unicycle. So he's now actually attempting to learn how to he's learning how to attempt a unicycle for the very first time. And I said, God, we got to get this out on video and we got to get this on camera. So let's take a look here. So we ended up picking up this unicycle here for 50 bucks off of Kijiji, which is just a local classified ad. Did you watch anything on YouTube?
No.
Have you watched anything on YouTube?
No.
Huh?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Not even YouTube and said how to unicycle? No, you're just kind of winging it here, right? You're just kind of like going at it.
Not funny. It's not funny.
Well, you could have at least kind of researched it.
I didn't have to research anything. I thought it was easier.
You thought it was easier. It was like riding a bicycle, eh?
Yeah.
Dude, you have a hard enough time riding a bicycle.
I can ride a bicycle fine.
You can ride a bicycle fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what's going through your mind right now.
I don't know.
You don't know. Oh, he's got it!
No.
You had it! Poor guy. So. Alright, well, as you can clearly see.
Got the guy looking at me.
As you can clearly see, this is not going very well. This poor guy here. I think it's absolutely. Okay. Oh, there we go. He's got it! Oh!
No.
Hey, at least you did like 5 feet, man.
Yeah,
That's not
yeah.
bad. Hey, you're a pro. Let's get a tight wire from there to there and get you hanging off of it there, dude. Are you gonna run away to the circus? Yeah, you're running. This is your means of transportation to run away to the circus. Here we go. Look at the concentration on this guy, man. Woohoo! He's got it.
Oh. That's the only thing. Oh, yeah.
That's one way to do a vasectomy, eh? Castration. Let's go buy a unicycle. It said, it's gonna be fun. He said. I'll tell you, man, it's really harder than it looks. Like, it looks easy, and you think, like, I can get on a bicycle and I can catwalk until the cows come home. I can get on a bike and I can ride it backwards. I cannot get on this thing, and I cannot do this thing. But I haven't. Oh, look at it. Yes. Hey, that's not bad, dude. You're getting it. You're getting it. Like, literally, we've only been doing it here. This is your first 4 minutes.
Yeah.
So, you're not too bad, buddy. Oh, talk about it's been another crappy weekend here. So we didn't even get out at all this weekend here. So it says here, it's 7 degrees, feels like 3 degrees here in Toronto. So that is, God, I need to learn to do the math. I know.
I think it's like what?
We have to plus 30 or no, what is it?
Plus 30.
You got a plus 30 minus 2 or something, or I think, yeah, so
Whoa.
it's 3 degrees, 33 minus 2, so it's 31 Fahrenheit. Is that what it is? Let's see. 3 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, 37. So what did I say?
30.
Or you got a plus 40 minus 2 or something. I don't know, whatever. So now it's, like I said, it's definitely not as easy as it looks, man. It's super hard.
Watch.
There you go. Oh!
I stopped going and I leaned back.
Yeah. All right, we're going home yet? Come on. It's freezing. It's cold. It's wet. This is the tutorial on how to use a unicycle without knowing how to use a unicycle. There you go. Oh, heck, the thing goes better without us on it. All right, here, I want to try.
1 sec.
I gotta try.
Let's try one more.
Huh?
I have to try it one more.
All right. Yeah, you know what? I want to go home. I don't want to try it. I'm gonna bust my nuts.
Problem.
I gotta work tomorrow. There you go. Yeah, like that. I'm thinking if you just kind of do that, you practice. Practice keeping your balance without actually going anywhere. It kind of just goes against all natural feeling of a bicycle. It's a dead unicycle. So
Comfortable. We'll learn it eventually.
yeah, you just got to keep at it, but not on wet. It's a wet, cold, bloody day. There we go. There we go.
Oh, that hurts my foot. Because you bend it so much.
Okay, I want to try.
Yeah, huh?
I want to try. Okay, I'm going to attempt to try this.
Oh.
That's the back, that's the front.
Yeah.
I think.
Goodbye, balls.
It's definitely a.
It's a learning
Oh my
process.
God! It goes against.
It's odd. It's not comfortable.
It goes. Oh my. Oh, okay, here we go. I'm popping the tire, aren't I?
In a
God
way.
damn it! Huh?
Yeah, it's flat.
What do I need to do?
Go forward. Go forward and backwards.
Why do I have to go anywhere? You know what I'm trying to do? Because I'm trying to think like as if it's this.
A wheelie?
No, like a. Oh my God, my nut!
Exactly.
My. Oh my nut!
Would you sit on it?
Oh. Oh. Oh Jesus! Wait a minute. I got a little top.
You just be a tranny.
Oh, that really. I felt that like squeeze like a grape.
Oh yeah. A little pop. Snap.
You know, it's like I want to kick the pedals backwards like a bicycle. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm on. I can't even get going. Like, seriously,
Oh, it's different. And you say it's because of balance.
My God, huh?
It's not because of balance. It's weird.
It is balance.
Yeah, but no, it's like you think because you can balance shit really well, but it's so different.
God damn it.
Going backwards.
Oh, holy smoke. I can't believe on how difficult it is actually to do that. That is so crazy. Let's research it before we actually get back out here and attempt to try and do the stupidness. But anyways, thanks again for tuning in for another episode of It's a Dyer. For tuning in for another episode of It's a Dyer Thing. Love your subscriptions, love your feedback. Again, guys, be safe out there. Don't do stupid things, and if you do, get it on camera, all right? Peace, take care, be good, bye.
It's too low for me to do a rotation.
No!
Because it's my knees.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.